Welcome to our lesson on sets. Let's explore a past question from the SSSCE in 2001. We have the set P, which contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your task is to write all subsets of P that have exactly 2 elements. Now, let's clarify what we mean by 2-element subsets. This means we need to choose 2 elements at a time from the set P. Next, let's identify the elements of set P. The elements of P are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's start with the first pair. We can use the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first pair we can form is 1 and 2. This gives us the subset containing 1 and 2. Now, let's move on to the second pair. Again, we will use the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. The second pair we can form is 1 and 3. This results in the subset containing 1 and 3. Next, let's find a third pair. We continue with the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. The third pair we can form is 1 and 4. This gives us the subset containing 1 and 4. Now, let's identify the fourth pair. We'll still use the same elements, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fourth pair we can form is 2 and 3. This results in the subset containing 2 and 3. Let's move on to the fifth pair. Again, we will use the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fifth pair we can form is 2 and 4. This gives us the subset containing 2 and 4. Now, let's find the sixth pair. We continue with the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. The sixth pair we can form is 3 and 4. This results in the subset containing 3 and 4. Now we can list all the subsets with 2 elements. If you're enjoying this explanation, please consider subscribing for more math solutions. Let's move on to part B of our question. Set B consists of even numbers less than 15. Set C includes integers from 3 to 11. Your task is to find the intersections and complement involving sets A, B, and C. Let's first define our universal set. The universal set U includes numbers from 1 to 14. Next, let's visualize the universal set using number chips. Here are the first 7 numbers in our universal set. And here are the remaining numbers up to 14. Now, let's find the prime numbers in set A. The prime numbers less than 15 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Now, let's write down set A. Set A contains the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Next, let's find the even numbers in set B. The even numbers less than 15 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Now, let's write down set B. Set B consists of the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Next, let's find the integers in set C. Set C includes integers from 3 to 11. The integers in set C are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now let's write down set C. Set C contains the integers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Let's understand the meaning of intersection. The intersection A cap C includes elements common to both A and C. Now, let's highlight the intersection of A and C. Set A includes the prime numbers. Set C includes integers from 3 to 11. The common elements are 3, 5, 7, and 11. Thus, the intersection A cap C gives us 3, 5, 7, and 11. Next, let's highlight the intersection of B and C. Set B consists of even numbers. Set C includes integers from 3 to 11. The common even numbers are 4, 6, 8, and 10. So the intersection B cap C gives us 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now, let's understand the meaning of union. The union A cup B includes elements that are in either A or B. Let's find the union of sets A and B. The union A cup B includes the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now, let's write down the union of sets A and B. The union A cup B includes the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Next, let's find the complement of a union B. The complement of a union B includes elements in U, but not in a union B. Let's highlight the complement. The elements in the complement are 1 and 9. Now, let's write down the complement. The complement of a union B consists of 1 and 9. Next, let's intersect the complement with set C. We will find the intersection of the complement with set C. Let's highlight the final common element. The complement is 1 and 9. Set C includes integers from 3 to 11. The common element between them is 9. Thus, the intersection of the complement with C gives us 9. We have found all subsets with 2 elements: 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4. The intersection A cap C results in 3, 5, 7, and 11. The intersection B cap C gives us 4, 6, 8, and 10. Finally, the intersection of the complement with C results in 9. Don't forget to subscribe for more math content.